Hello everyone, Riley here with the Washoe County School District. Normally, I would be underwater right now if and when this school is back online. We're at Marvin Picollo School and we're in the pool. I'm here with Tammy Zimmerman, our Deputy Chief Facilities Management Officer. We're looking at the repairs and upgrades going on at this school. And like I said, we're in a pool. Why am I not wet right now, Tammy?
You're not wet right now because we're repairing the heater system for the pool and the decking system and the humidifier that we're going to put in here to make it more comfortable for the students that come to Picollo.
And this pool, obviously, none of our other schools have pools. This is a special thing for a special school. These are some of our most vulnerable students, have some of our highest level of physical challenges, and this helps with physical therapy that's really important. Tell me a little bit about what specifically, why is a new boiler important?
A new boiler room is important to get a temperature in the pool that is carefully monitored and can keep a certain temperature because these students are very fragile.
So first it's the heater, making sure the temperature is all good, and then because you were telling me because we can't have too many contractors and there just wasn't enough space for folks to work, we'll be coming back during the winter break and doing the concrete in here, right?
Yes, and winter break, because we had other demos that had to happen in here, we couldn't get everybody in. They'd be working on top of each other. So we are going to come back at Christmas and we're going to resurface the pool in the bottom and fix the couple cracks that are in there to make it even better for them.
So parents, staff, if you're wondering, you come back, hey, I thought they fixed the pool. It's just phase 2 of phase 3, I guess, with fixing the pool here. And what else is going on here this summer, and what overall are we looking to have invested in this facility?
So we're also doing some upgrades to the restrooms in between classrooms that the students use. It's going to make it more accessible for them, allow them to turn their wheelchairs around in them, and it's going to allow for some changing tables in there, more privacy and dignity for those students. We're also doing a HVAC system in each classroom, rooftop units that'll help that temperature in the classroom maintain and be comfortable for them.
For more information on this project and everything else we're doing around Washoe County to make schools better, you can always visit WCSDbuilding.com.